This question asked by many folk. How to tackle with the breakup? How to deal with the breakup? First and foremost, we need to understand what breakup is. According to your strategy, you are saying when two people are become a separate, it is breakup. But there is not breakup. There is no any kind of the aspect which will say you it has a breakup. Okay, I am going to give you example. This is my hand. I would get wound. So what I will do? Will I cut it? Not at all. I will apply here some medicine, some cream or whatsoever I can manage, and I will try to get overcome from that wound. Okay, so it's common. If I get wound, then I will suffer. Means it is also common. If you get breakup, you would not laugh. You would not smile. You wouldn't say, hey, I am happy, I have got a breakup. Not at all. Then you must know already this thing. Okay, if I go through it, I will suffer. So think before getting relationship. Don't think after getting breakup. This is your biggest problem. Okay, what you are doing? When you get breakup, you are feeling depressed, you are going into anxiety, and that anxiety has been created by you, not anyone else. This thing you need to understand first. Let's try to understand what love is according to your point of view. What you are saying? I was drastically in love with her or him. So is it love? If it is love, then why this love is not impacting 6-year-old boy or 6-year-old girl or 60-year-old man or 80-year-old, the person? Those are also going through them good life. Okay, you are estimated this is love, but this is not a love. So what love is? It's all about which you are thinking right now. It is a part of attraction, hormones, and chemical locha that we call. Okay, so it is not love. So can you see here what I wanted to tell you? Are you getting me? So try to understand, this is all about attraction. I do have body, I'll get it attraction. You do have body, you will get it attraction. So what is the difference between us and animal? There is only one difference. We do have control. I do have control. Being a human being, I do have control. I do have this ability. If you are not able to do control on your mind or your body, you are not more than animal. You are not human being. I am not saying don't do love, don't attract it. It is good, but everything has a particular time to do it. Now what love is? Where this love exists? Try to understand. Love cannot get without you have 1 or 2 kids. What I am saying? Once my ex was saying very beautiful thing, and that I would like to tell you. Become a good boyfriend. It is a world easiest thing. But become a good husband. It is a world hardest and difficult thing. So what is the meaning of it? I am saying get into marry or go into relationship, have 2 or 1 kid according to your belief, your shraddha, and then see that love is exist or not. If that same quality, that same love, that same attraction would be exist in that particular time, it's called love. Are you getting what I am saying? It's called love. Love cannot be judged in a relationship. Love cannot be judged in a before sex. What will you get after sex? Or not only the first, second, third sex. It would be a measure after getting kid. If your love would be sustainable, then you are great man. Thank you very much for having me. I hope today's session you have got to understood. Okay. Thank you very much. And if you like my video, so you know what you can do. Subscribe my channel, share my video among with your friend, and click the bell icon. It would